Hey y'all, thanks so much for clicking into this video. If this is your first time here, then welcome. My name is Lori. Today we are working on an exciting project with my friend Kara. Kara is entering a new stage in her life, the happiest stage of her life. She is getting ready to move to the other side of the planet with her son and his wife. And that's really exciting, and I am super excited for her. But Kara has been living in the same house for just over 40 years. And of course, in the same house, in the same place, she's been nesting and collecting things over the time that she's lived there, like we all do. Now that she's moving to the other side of the planet, it's time to go through all of those things and edit her collection of things down to a reasonable size that she can easily move to the other side of the planet and enjoy there. Now, she has already done so much work. Like, when I say so much work, I'm not even kidding y'all. Kara has given away tons and tons and tons and tons of clothing items and donated them so that other people can enjoy them because they just don't fit into her new life. Today, we have turned my yoga room into a little boutique area where we are going to help Kara get her travel capsule wardrobe ready to go so that she can get started and embark on this new stage in her life. I think I'm more excited than she is because I love doing stuff like this. And you know, this has been a lot of work for her, and she's been through a lot getting this done and making this happen. But she's a trooper. She's getting stronger and stronger every day, and she is ready to do it. So today's the day. You can see we've got a clothing rack behind me right here. And we also have a table off to the side here. And so this is going to be Kara's own little personal wardrobe boutique. Let's get started. Now, in the next few months, Kara and her son and daughter-in-law are going to be traveling around Thailand, looking at a bunch of different places and kind of getting a feel for all the different opportunities that exist for her there. What that means is that she needs a wardrobe that is functional and also easily movable, because she's going to be moving from one place to another for a couple of months while she kind of checks everything out and gets a feel for what is on the other side of the planet. So what we're going to start with today are just the clothing items that Kara feels confident and comfortable in, and let me tell you, are not hot, because the captain and I, as a lot of you know, the captain and I just came back from Thailand, and it is hot there. Like, it is a special, different kind of hot that I had never experienced before in my life, and I grew up in Texas like y'all, and it gets hot here, but not Thailand hot. So we want to make sure we set her up for success from the very get-go, and we're going to start doing that with the pieces that she already feels comfortable and confident in. So I think a good place to start for Kara is going to be with like 15 tops, 5 dresses, and then we'll work on the number of bottoms we need to go with all those tops as we go through it. Now, whenever I am putting a capsule wardrobe together, I like to hang everything. If you have everything laid out on our bed, that works for a lot of people, but I'm just not that big, and so I can't reach and do all of this stuff. I like to have everything on hangers so that I can just pull the two pieces together, mix and match, and see how things are gonna come together. It's just an easier way to do it for me. So luckily for me, Kara was willing to do it that way too. So we're gonna hang everything up.
I'm so happy you're happy with this.
Yes.
Let's see what we got here. I don't know.
This is my gorgeous friend Kara that I'm a little bit jealous. Okay, so I'm a lot jealous of, because she is moving to the other side of the planet and starting the next phase of her amazing life. How exciting, right? Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
I'm so excited for you.
Yes, I am excited.
But I would feel anxious as well. Like, if I was moving to the other side of the planet, I would feel a little anxious as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. And I think that's normal.
It is.
And it's okay, right?
It's a culture shock.
Absolutely. And we're okay with that, aren't we?
Yeah, I've been there.
Okay.
I've been to other countries, and yeah, that's happened.
Yes.
But hey, I got Chuck and Paige there to help me.
Yes. And you'll do laundry once a week? Something like once every week to 10 days maybe?
Oh, that's just a t-shirt.
It's just a t-shirt. And you've already got a white t-shirt over here. So which one do you like better?
I don't know.
So can I give you my
No.
opinion, but I think this one's cute. Like you've lost a lot of weight,
Yeah.
and this one's gonna kind of show that off a little bit.
This is my dress.
Okay.
I've never worn mine.
Is that the dress that fits you, or does it fit
Yeah,
you?
it fits me.
Okay.
This is really good.
This is great for Tyler. This is gonna be really comfortable in Tyler.
This is one of them.
Yeah, I would take that one later.
Wow, we're already.
You're doing great.
Oh, these.
I just want to take just a second to point out the obvious in case it's not obvious to everybody. This is so much easier without Chuck here.
I love these pants. If I went somewhere where I know they're thick,
Okay.
but they fit me perfect.
So they are thick, but they are also the only longer pair of pants you would have because everything up here is short.
Yes,
Okay.
but I do. Those are my favorite pants.
Okay, so let me ask you this. Would you choose these over any of these?
No, those are for a different occasion.
I know.
But no, not really.
Okay. I understand these are a different occasion. Do you think that occasion exists in the first 2 months? I don't think so either. So you're going to be doing laundry every week to 10 days.
Yeah.
So you clearly have enough bottoms here to work with your laundry cycle. You may not need like these, and these are kind of interchangeable. So you may not need all 3 pairs of these. These are one of your favorites, right?
Yeah, I like them.
So you definitely want to keep that, right?
They have pockets and everything.
Oh, I love that.
Right.
Yeah, so you definitely want to keep that. But you might want to consider not taking one of these for the first round and putting these in if you want to have a longer pair of pants.
Yeah, I would like a longer pair of pants just in case something comes up.
I think these are great because they fit you perfect.
They do.
Right? You look fantastic in them.
Yeah, I like them.
But would you give up, I would give up these blue ones
Okay.
because you could wear these.
Okay.
Okay.
Here's some more shorts. So leave these because
I wouldn't take, the one thing I would never take, like when I regretted taking was my denim shorts. I took a pair of denim shorts and they were very uncomfortable. I thought they were lightweight, but I was wrong.
now these I wear around the house.
So I think the green is more interchangeable with all of your different things that you have here over the gray. The gray is very similar to this.
Yes.
Do you like the gray better than this?
Not really.
So those are almost the same as this.
Yeah.
Very, very similar. Do you like the lighter wash or the darker wash better?
You know what? I think I like these better.
Okay.
It's just those have room to grow because they're
You don't need room to grow, you're getting smaller.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll probably-
If you like those better, those have pockets, they're the right length,
yeah, I like these.
they
And
look like they're a
thin.
little bit lighter weight,
They are thinner.
so I think that's a good choice.
Okay, and this is.
Oh, get it, go.
Yeah, look at that.
I like that. Boom, chicka, boom, boom.
Do you want to just leave it up like to
Chicka, boom, boom.
where the main suit is?
That one is cute too, but are the sleeves too short for you right now? Or are you good with that? It's a little heavy, but
Yeah, probably too short for me, but I do like it.
okay. Well, let's leave it for the next pass.
And this is.
So Kara, like most of us, has clothing that fits and is comfortable now, but she also has her future self clothing. Like she has some pieces that she really is loving and that she's already picked out, but she's not quite ready to wear it because she wants to continue to, tone some stuff up, like all of us. We're all in a process. So what we don't need to worry about carrying around to Thailand for the first couple of months that we're there is that future self clothes. Now we don't want to get rid of them. She wants to keep all of that stuff, and that's great. There's nothing wrong with that. We're just going to set it to the side so we have two different kind of sets of things. Things that she can use right now because they fit her well and she feels comfortable and confident in it, and then things her future self is looking forward to wearing as well. Okay, so let me ask you this. You've been walking here for 4 days, right? And you've walked in your regular clothing, or have you put on these walking shorts?
No, I've never put them on. When they were in the suitcase, no, I haven't.
But are you going to change your clothes to go walking every day? Or are you going to walk in your regular shorts that you already have chosen?
What do you mean?
Would you change into these?
No, not now, not until I get my legs.
Okay, then these are your future self,
Okay.
not your current self.
And I think we're
For sure.
I love the color too.
Have you worn it before?
I just got it. I just got it.
So you haven't worn it?
No.
Would you wear it? Are you
Yes,
comfortable?
I will wear it.
Okay.
Here's another skirt with shorts, white shirts.
You do. You've got this one.
This. I don't know about this. I don't know if I wear it. What do you think?
So I like this one because it has this gather at the
Yeah.
bottom, shows off how you've lost some weight.
Right. So just forget that for now.
I would leave that for future. So you already have this that you could wear as a bathing suit cover up or a dress.
Yeah. So I don't need this.
So would you wear that one as a dress?
No, it's got holes in it.
Yeah, I wouldn't either. So I would stick with this one.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Okay.
Look at this. Is this 70s or what? I was in a mood, I guess.
Girl, I can hear the Bee Gees playing.
Can you?
Oh,
I can
absolutely.
see, that's my 60s, 70s stuff. Look at it. Wait,
Yeah, future self.
future. This is. I didn't even think about this
Huh.
because I just bought it.
Okay. Well, even though you just bought it, doesn't matter. Are you ready to wear it?
I'm not ready to wear it.
Okay, then it's future you, right?
No.
It's not current
I
you.
even have this jacket that I absolutely love.
Oh my gosh,
Look at that
so
going
much
too.
progress.
3 bags full, yes sir.
3
yes,
bags
sir.
full.
3 bags. So what do I do with this one?
Set it aside for your future.
Oh boy, I got a big future.
You do have a big future. Do you have any doubt?
No, I don't.
Okay then.
This is my shirt that I go fishing in,
Okay.
or if I go out in the water because it's linen and it fits me and it keeps the sun off me.
Okay.
So I really want to keep that
Okay.
dictate because it. Okay, here's that green shirt I was telling you about that goes with the pink one.
Mm-hmm. So you've got this one. Do you like that one more than this one? They're
No,
different colors, but they're
kinda
very, very
different.
similar.
I really like. I'll just keep that one. Save this
Okay.
and don't take that. Look at that thin shirt.
That is good.
Look how thin that is.
That is thin. Do you like that one better than this one?
No, I gotta have that one.
Okay.
That one's
All right. We're going to set that one. We're going to save that one.
okay.
We're saving all of this for you. So you still have all of this. You're not getting rid of it. All right. So we are getting to one of my favorite parts. We're getting to the shoes. And I love shoes. Kara, do you
I
love
did
shoes?
too.
All
I had
right.
to get rid of my heels, but Now we need flats.
But her son doesn't want her carrying around a lot of shoes, so he doesn't need to know everything, and we're gonna figure out the just right shoes. Check this out. Like, that's a pretty shoe. I love it.
I love bling.
I do too. Like,
I don't know if I should take them now.
I don't think you're going to wear them
maybe.
until you get settled.
Settled.
And I'll send those to you. Yes. So with this capsule, with this travel capsule, Kara is prepared to travel. She has the right number of things for her. And that's what a lot of people get confused on about a capsule wardrobe. Like, it has to be 33 items or 22 items. It doesn't have to be any number of items. It needs to be your number of items so that you can do all the things you want to do and be prepared to do that stuff. So this is what works for Kara. She's got several tops that she can go a couple of weeks without having to do laundry, and that's going to be really convenient for her when she's traveling. But everything is lightweight and it's going to be comfortable for her in Thailand because it's really, really hot on the other side of the planet. She's got all these bottoms that are great, neutral, lightweight, comfortable pieces that she can mix and match with all the tops. She's got a date night skirt. I know she says she's not going on a date, but she might change her mind. She's got a date night skirt. She wants to do that. Some skirts, or a skirt that's going to be super comfortable. She's got a cool dress. Like, this will be great for lounging if you want to lounge in it, or you can throw one of these little tops over it. It's going to be super cute. I love this dress. I love that Kara picked this dress out of her collection because I think it's beautiful. It's lightweight. She can wear it as a dress, but this is also something she could easily throw over a swimsuit and head off to the beach because Kara's new life includes a lot of beach time. And then she's got this little strapless number because get sexy with it. And then she's got swimsuits and a fishing shirt. So she has everything she needs. We even got her shoes ready to go. I'm gonna get all this stuff packed up for her and she's gonna be ready to go.
Yay.
Thank you so much for doing this with me.
Thank you. Wow.
I appreciate it.
It went faster than I thought.
It was awesome. And it's so much easier than what you think it's going to be.
And I have 2 suitcases less.
And she has 2 suitcases less, and that is awesome. Nobody wants to travel with a ton of luggage. It's hard.
Wonderful.
But she still has everything that she kept from her home and that she's purchased along the way that she loves, so that when she does get settled at her new place in Thailand, she can just let us know and we can ship it to her, and then she's got all of her future stuff as well. So she doesn't have to give up anything more to make this move. She's already given up so much and donated so much and helped out so many other people with everything that she had in her life. She shared that, and now it's time for her to move into her new life.
Yes.
And get herself set up for success. I'm so excited for you.
Yeah, I'm excited too.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Y'all, thanks so much for watching. I'm feeling really inspired. I need to go clean out my closet because Kara's done a much better job than I have, and now I'm feeling like I need to walk the talk. So maybe the next video coming, I'll be cleaning out my closet. We'll see. But until I see y'all in the next video, bye. Bye, y'all. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.